Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use uh, today discuss here a wireframe and surface design is discussed here, and today CATIA lecture 65 is discussed here. CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and today discuss here 5 point is very important, and all point is a wireframe and surface design. Okay, today lecture is a wireframe and surface design and wireframe and surface design lecture here, and this lecture is a very important, and all 5 point is also very important. Okay, let's see one by one discuss here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this point is a wireframe and all 3D command is a learn here. Okay, you can see here, and all is a wireframe and surface design, all is a 3D command. Okay, and this is a 2D command, and this wireframe is a point is a point, and this is a line. Okay, and also axis and polyline. Okay, and this is a plane. Okay, at first drawing a point. Okay, this is a first is a point, second is a line, third is axis, fourth is polyline, and fifth is plane. All is one by one is discussed here. Okay, okay, at first point is drawing here, double click here. Okay, and this is a okay, and first is a point. Okay, drawing here, and again this. Okay, and this and this, and you can see here easily point is drawing here. Okay, and okay, all point is a okay. Okay, and then use a this is a point and plane repetition. Okay, okay, and this drawing a this drawing a first is a line. Okay, and line is a point to point, first point and second point, drawing a line. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, line is drawing here. Okay, again select first point and second point is a drawing a line. Okay, two line a drawing here, and polyline is a first point, second point, third point, 4 point, 5 point. Okay, and then all is a drawing a close polyline is a close here. Okay, this is a this. Okay, okay, this is a line and this is a polyline. Okay, you can see here easily drawing and line and polyline, but this is a very important command because a wireframe and surface design here learn here. Okay, wireframe and surface design use in CATIA, and this is a very important, and drawing a line is a 2 point is a, and this is a polyline is a many point. Okay, and this is a close line, and again select a okay, and again this is a points and plane repetition. Okay, drawing here, and this is a undo. Okay, okay, and use a okay, at first drawing any plane, this point and this point is also delete here, and at first select a plane. Okay, and exit, drawing any spline, okay, and exit, okay, and again use this line, okay. At first select a point, this line, this, okay, this is a correct, okay, okay, and use a multi-point, okay, this is a point, and at first point and plane repetition is pop up, and first is point selection and second is curve, okay. First is point and second is curve. Curve is automatic select here, and instance is instance a spacing, okay. A spacing is a 5, 10 is correct, okay. A spacing is a 10 and okay, preview is showing here, and this is a increase 3, 4, 5, 6, and preview is showing here. This is a correct, okay. This is a correct. Many equal spacing, okay, 6, 7, 8, preview is showing here, okay. This is a point is a drawing here, and this is a parameters, instance and a spacing. Instance is 8, a spacing 10 mm, distance between 2 point is a 10 millimeter, and this is a okay, and point, okay, this is a correct, okay. And next is a this is a undo, okay. Next is a select up, okay, plane, and this is a XY plane, okay, and this line is a hide, because okay, hide this plane is a correct, okay. And select this plane is a, and this is a drawing here, okay. Distance between 60, okay, and okay, and repetition again, okay, and this is the instance is 4, okay. This is a correct, okay. This is a point is a correct. Plane is generated here. This plane is also generated here, and this is a correct, and this is a all plane is a okay, and drawing any plane and one by one, this is a correct, okay, okay. And any plane is a draw here, sketch, select and a sketch, drawing any. At first drawing a rectangle, okay, and exit, then use a this, and select this point and this plane and exit, and draw a circle, okay, exit, then draw a plane is a drawing here, and also this plane is sketch, and draw a ellipse, okay. This is a correct, and exit. This is a plane is drawing here, okay. One by one is drawing here. Okay guys, plane, point, line, axis is a polyline, and plane is all one by one is learn here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about any this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys. Thank you.